A resident has repeatedly requested the committee repair a known trip hazard that hasn't been fixed for years. What are the insurance implications around known hazards that the committee will not address?
Yeah, so with trip hazards, I guess firstly you need to establish, has someone that is qualified given advice to say that this is a trip hazard and the committee has not addressed that specific issue. Now, if that's the case, then when the policy comes due for renewal, you do have to disclose all things relevant to the insurer's decision to insure the property. If the trip hazard has just been identified by an owner, but there isn't a professional saying that it should be remedied, it wouldn't necessarily be an item that would need to be disclosed. But aside from what does and doesn't need to be disclosed to an insurer, if there is a claim and there is evidence by the injured person to show that the body corporate or owner's corporation was advised of the trip hazard and didn't take action, it will increase their culpability at the time of the claim. And of course, what that then has a flow-on impact is that it increases the cost of the claim and impacts your claims history more severely. So the idea is that it's not necessarily just about what you do and don't have to disclose with the insurer. It is risk minimisation is also recommended to assist in reducing your claims history when you are seeking quotes for insurance.
Okay, thank you for that one. And we did have another question that was related to that as well, which was from New South Wales, and that's: a stair carpet is threadbare and uneven in parts, and does this compromise our insurance? So I guess that would fall under the same.
Exactly right. It's the same thing. So committees should take steps to minimise claims, but you don't have to disclose every single potential hazard to the insurer, just the major hazards that you think that they should know when taking the policy out. But you should take action to minimise losses, because less claims, it will definitely help you when you're seeking quotes for insurance.
Excellent. Okay, that's great.